Hi guys, so for today's video we will be unboxing a PacSafe LS100 anti-theft bag, sling bag. So nabili ko siya sa Lazada, so I still have the receipt. Ito siya. So I think this is a legitimate PacSafe bag naman, no? Actually nabili ko siya sa mismong official store ng PacSafe. So I've been wanting to own one of these PacSafe sling bags for a long time, no? Medyo pricey lang talaga sila, and when I bought this sa Lazada, medyo mahal pa din siya. Gumamit lang ako ng isang discount voucher during the 5/5 sale. So ito, sige, let's check it out. So first thing you will notice dito sa strap niya, I don't know if medyo hindi siya masyadong kita pero if you look at it, meron siyang dalawang parang wire dito, no? And kung hindi mo siya gagamitan ng special tool talaga, hindi mo siya basta-basta magugupit, ano? So ito yung mga features niya. Meron pa siyang silica gel sa loob, ito. And you will really notice, no, yung craftsmanship dito sa PacSafe bag na to. Talagang made of high quality materials. Ayan. So hindi naman siya ganun kabulky, hindi rin siya sobrang liit. I think you can fit your phone, your wallet, siguro a pen and other stuff na pwede mo ilagay dito, like your ID, your passport, your sunglasses, eyeglasses, no? So it looks very durable, like I said, and marami ring features ito, no? So if you're going to like a place na you think is, medyo dangerous, no? If you're carrying siguro things with significant value, like siguro an expensive phone or your wallet, diba? You can actually use this additional feature itong bag, no? Meron siyang elastic dito sa loob, if you can see. May elastic siya na you can lock one of the zippers or both zippers para hindi siya basta-basta mabuksan, no? And also ito, meron din siyang additional security feature. Ito, I don't know kung saan siya gagamitin, no? Pero I still have to figure it out. Pero I think this is also for the zippers. Let me just try kung aabot siya. Yeah, so aabot na siya, no? So if you insert the two zippers dito sa pinaka protective mechanism niya, you can actually lock it, no? There. So if you will notice, it's really not naman impossible, but it's really difficult for anyone to access or open your zippers easily, no? So yan, medyo mahirap siyang buksan, and talagang secured yung inyong mga belongings dito. So it's a very good investment, no? Especially those sa mga frequent travelers, para ma-avoid nyo rin na mawala yung mga gamit nyo. It's a good investment instead of buying those cheap sling bags. Ayan. Kasi, yan. So, very handy, it's very lightweight, and like I said, marami siyang pockets na with different functionalities. You can put a lot of important things in here. So if you're a backpacker, together with your day bag, so it's really very practical to own one of these PackSafe bags, no? So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you. Bye.